Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Today we're talking about a serious topic: how to check for warrants in California. Finding out you might have a warrant is a stressful situation, but ignoring it is the worst thing you can do because warrants don't just expire or go away on their own. It could be for something minor you've forgotten, like an old unpaid traffic ticket that led to a missed court date, which is called a bench warrant. Or, it could be a more serious arrest warrant if law enforcement suspects you were involved in a crime. Knowing your status is the first critical step to resolving the problem. So, let's break down the ways you can check. The first and most accessible method is to search online. Many, but not all, California County Superior Courts or Sheriff's Departments have a public online portal where you can search for outstanding warrants. It's crucial to understand that there is no single, centralized statewide database for the public. You have to go to the website for the specific county where you think the warrant might have been issued. For example, you would search the Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department website or the San Diego County Superior Court's website. A big word of caution here: avoid those third-party background check websites that charge you a fee. They are often unreliable, their data can be outdated, and you should never pay for information you can often find for free on official government sites. Your second option is to go to the courthouse in person. You can visit the criminal clerk's office at the county courthouse and ask them to run a search for your name and date of birth. However, you must be aware of the major risk involved with this method. If you do have an active warrant for your arrest, the deputies at the courthouse could arrest you on the spot. This is not a risk to be taken lightly, so only choose this option if you are prepared for that outcome. A third, slightly safer option, is to call the court clerk's office. Some offices will confirm or deny the existence of a warrant over the phone, while others may not due to privacy policies. It doesn't hurt to try, as it avoids the risk of being arrested by going in person. Finally, the fourth and by far the safest and most recommended method is to contact a criminal defense attorney. A lawyer can perform a confidential and privileged search on your behalf. They have access to official systems and can find out not only if a warrant exists, but also the reason for it, the bail amount, and the underlying case details. Most importantly, they can do this without alerting law enforcement and without you facing the risk of immediate arrest. If a warrant is found, an attorney can then advise you on the best steps to take, which might include arranging for you to turn yourself in safely or filing a motion to have the warrant recalled by a judge. Remember, discovering a warrant is the beginning of the solution. Ignoring it can lead to an embarrassing and inconvenient arrest at any time, like during a simple traffic stop. Taking control of the situation is always the smartest move. We hope this information was clear and helpful. Dealing with legal matters can be confusing, but having the right knowledge is power. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.